Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is 24th of September 2023. This is your friend Vipin Timande and today we are going for an adventure bike ride to the Malshej Ghats. So it's monsoon here in Pune. We are going to explore the Sahyadri mountain ranges once more. So catch you up in the journey. Stay along with us. Follow me. Folks, we had a hell lot of fun in the last waterfall and we are just gonna explore this Malshej Ghat towards the end. I think it has also started raining. You see it's all foggy around here, right? A lot of fun, man. Yeah, one heck of a bike ride. Hey folks, so we have finally reached Malshej Ghats. You would have seen a few of the visuals of the roads that came along, and this is the magnificent view from this place. This place here, you see this white stream? That's Kalu Waterfall. We'll try and see if we can go there today. This is Harishchandragarh Fort. That side is Konkan, and that's a small village.
Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
So folks, we somehow reached this base of Kalu Waterfall, and then we got a local guide and we decided to explore finally. Till this point we came by our bikes. Our bikes are right there. And that is the magnificent Kalu Waterfall. So yeah, second waterfall of the season. First was Dudhsagar and now we are heading towards this waterfall. Let's go. Man, this is a huge view. The Kalu Waterfall. It is always best, folks, to explore these jungles with any of the local guides. Is now Satish, na? We have Satish Dada with us here, whom we met here on the way, and then we decided to take a local guide. I'll leave Satish Dada's number here in the description so that if at all you plan to come, maybe you can get in touch with him. He also arranges treks for regions around like Harishchandra Ghat Fort and all. Magnificent, guys. I think these are local farms, and I think this is Thane basically. Another stunning visual of the Kalu Waterfall. We come from this route. There's also a mini river crossing here. The risk is, if at all it rains really heavy, maybe we'll not be able to cross back. So let's pray it doesn't rain and we make it safely back. After crossing this river, chota sa vertical climb, but manageable. So folks, now we realize why a guide is needed in this jungle. You see, it's all greenery, not very dense, but it's definitely dense if at all you come alone. And just in case if you miss this route, it's very difficult to find the route again.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Get ready to watch some stunning visuals of the Kalu Waterfall.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing?
It's a bit of a 30-degree climb. Looks interesting.
And imagine a utopia. Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
So this is what we see after doing such a long trek. Not long really, guys. But yeah, it took some effort to come to here. This is a small shop providing Maggie and other food items. And let me take you a little more closer. John Abraham.
Ritu Jamwal.
Umesh Reshmiya.
कैसा तेरा बल्कि है ना इसमें John Abraham. Umesh Reshmiya in the form of
We thought that was the final point. There's a little more elevation which we can climb. Let's go. Woohoo! Beautiful flow of water here, right below this waterfall. आगे आगे आगे
Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so. And now I'm chasing nightmares too. I used to run with you through the great big thing.
This guy is surprising us multiple times. We thought this was the end of it, but looks like there's another route down up there. Don't know how close he'll take us there. Chalo. That side is the waterfall. Might be called as towers to reach the base. Chalo, let's go. हो हो यहाँ से भी जाना है. Hello. Heck of an adventure, man. Heck of an adventure. Going what? Needy water. And this guy is taking us ahead and ahead. पता नहीं क्या दिखाना चाहता है. So guys, get ready to see what's visible from here. Folks, we are on our way back, and just look at the waterfall covered with the clouds, and it's gonna rain big time now. It was great fun exploring this one. Now time to head back. That was it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this expedition with me. If you enjoyed this one, please share it with your friends, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more such adventures. Till then, tata bye bye, meet you again. See you.